guest, Mr. Amit Porwal, who's featuring on the cover page of the magazine. Mr. Amit Porwal is a renowned and super successful interior designer known for creating luxury and contemporary spaces. He is the founder of Icon Projects in Space Private Limited with a diverse portfolio spanning residence, offices, hospitality and retail. Mr. Porwal is known for his attention to detail. Legendary singer Harmeet Singh and talented actress Ilana Dhillon. Mr. Umang Kumar is a renowned Indian filmmaker and art director known for his biographical dramas. He gained acclaim for directing Mary Kom, Sarabjit and PM Narendra Modi, showcasing real-life stories with emotional depth. Before directing, he made his mark as a production designer and TV show host. About Mr. Harmeet Singh. Harmeet Singh is one half of the famous music duo Meet Bros, known for chart-topping Bollywood tracks. He has delivered famous songs like Baby Doll and Chitiya Kalaiyan, which is very famous and all of us have heard about the same. Now, actress Ilana Dhillon does not only humble apologies. Ihana Dhillon makes a film presence not only in Hindi but also in Punjabi cinema. She gained popularity with films like Hate Story 4, Butch, The Pride of India and Radhe. Known for her glamorous roles and strong screen presence, she continues to make her mark in Indian entertainment. Now I would request all the dignitaries, esteemed guests, to please unveil the cover page of Society Interior and Design magazine with a great round of applause.
तुझे थोड़ा पीछे चल तुझे थोड़ा झुक जाओ One, two, three.
Mr. Porwal, do you mind if I ask you a question?
Oh, I'm sure. I can't mind.
So, what are your views on the project cover? How do you like the cover?
Well, I believe when this vendor was happening in studio, and when the vendor was done, and of course the execution happens after the render is done. And I told my team, this is it. This is like our page render. And so, if you really understand that when you see the render and when you see the executed project, it actually synergizes with as it is as the detail. So yeah, I mean to say, this was something which we wanted it, and it is here. Thank you so much, Society Interiors, for the same. And thank you, the team who are here today, to appreciate this.
Can I take some insights from the film industry? So, what are your views on the project cover? I've heard you also have an insight on art designs and you were into designing before coming into the industry?
Yeah, thoda bahut kar leta hu. So, yes, I've been associated with Magna Group and now Magna Group for a long time, and thank you Ashok ji for calling me, and obviously it's my honor to come here and unveil something which I always believe in, I mean which is designing, and how can I not come for such a beautiful cover, or I'm waiting to see the insights. And yes, I am into designing, so I love every detail, I always watch it, and you know, जो नहीं देख पाए थे वो भी मैं देखूंगा कि स्टेप्स कैसे किया है, फ्लोर कैसे किया है, इसका ये क्या किया है. तो I yes like him, I also go into the details, and I would like to see what else is there inside the book. And thank you for calling me, and it's a great cover, and I would love to collaborate with you in the future, for sure.
And like, we look forward.
Your views, like we understand, like when you compose songs, there are ideas which are designed. Now that is on the song aspect. What about houses? It seems like interior designs, there is a space that you need for designing, right? The space where you need to compose. What are your views on the cover page?
I have first of all, congratulations to the entire team and such a great effort, and legends like Munji and all of you. So I have musical views for this designing, and I can sing a song जो हमारा एक सलमान भाई के साथ आया था किक फिल्म में. Hangover, Society ID. ID is for interior designs. Hangover, Society ID ka. Hangover, Society ID ka. So I think it's beautiful. एंड इतना प्यारा इनका कवर है कि मैं इसमें ये बोल सकता हूँ कि ये देख के मैं मैनिफेस्ट करने वाला हूँ. आई एम इनटू मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑल्सो. ये विला बॉम्बे में वैसे बनाना मुश्किल है, इतना बड़ा विला, लेकिन आपने बना दिया है तो आई मैनिफेस्ट इट. मुश्किल या एक्चुअली आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन ब्रांड ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी कॉल्ड हैरी होम एंड आई एम इनटू मैनिफेस्टेशन. सो वेरी सून इसको मैं अपने बेडरूम के पोस्टर में लगाने वाला हूँ, इसको बड़ा करके ऐसे एंड मैनिफेस्ट करूँगा. और आप लोग की दुआ से ये जल्दी हमारा घर होना चाहिए. आई लव द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, दिस ब्लू एंड द वाइट, एंड इट्स रियली रॉयल एंड आई थिंक इट्स विजनरी. दुआ करता हूँ कि सर बहुत जल्दी AI का कुछ ऐसा ऐप बनाओ आप डिजाइनिंग में कि हम लोग यहीं से घुस जाए सीधे प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर और ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज सबकी हों. सो अमेजिंग एफर्ट, अमेजिंग इनिशिएटिव. God bless, and I think the such initiatives is taking our country's designs to the next level, international level, and all the best. Good luck.
Ma'am, what are your views? Like actresses, whatever is the idea of a film, you are showing it in real life. What are your views on the interior design when it comes to a house? A space, a house, wherever the person is staying, it's the most relaxing space. The most major thought processes, be it anywhere. Some thought processes come on a cafe because the design is good. Some thought processes are built up at homes because again it's a peaceful area. What are your views on the cover?
Well, for me, I guess my home is my personal space and it's my comfort space. So for me, the comfort matters a lot. And then of course the way time is changing, अगर अमित जी जैसे ऐसे डिजाइनर आ जाएंगे तो I think बहुत कुछ और एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. But since I come from Punjab, for me the whole definition is very, very different. But all I want to say here, congratulations to the Magnet team and congratulations Amit, and I'm looking forward to your lovely designs. Congratulations Swati, and thank you Ashok ji for inviting me and for lovely collaboration. And I love the cover, and as Manmeet ji said, okay, I love the color combination, and I'm really looking forward to see your designs and whole magazine. So congratulations to everyone.
Now that we've uncovered the soft copy or the cover page, would we like to uncover the hard copy? Yes. Definitely. So now for the hard copy, I would also like to call upon Mrs. Jayashree Damankar. Can I have Mrs. Jayashree Damankar, please?
Side.
And Sumil Khamekar, please.
Yeah.
Let's have a round.
अरे फोन नीचे, कैमरा लगाया भी इतना बड़ा. 6 foot.
No, I am more than happy that this is in your hands. I am happy that it should be there.
वो 6 foot. वो है 6 foot. कम क्लोज आइए ना सब लोग थोड़ा सा. इंटीरियर यहाँ पे सेंटर सब मैम आप लोग
For video, sir.
कैमरा लोग क्या आप हो दिनेश भाई. नो सॉरी. डन. थैंक यू.
The picture quality is so amazing. Wow. This is like one of the best. I'm not sure if
I would request Mr. Ashok Damankar to kindly felicitate our esteemed chief guest.
आदर्श चीप. दिनेश चाहिए. ठंडा चाहिए मेरे को फूल.
सर वेट सर
कैमरा चल रही है. सर सामने देखिए ना इधर.
सेंटर लुक सेंटर
कैमरे में.
कैमरा लुक
मैं मोबाइल कैमरा
साइड कर लो
सर यहाँ पर अभी यहाँ
अच्छा
थैंक यू.
Can I request Team Magnet for a team photo op, please? Can I request Team Magnet?
ओ दिनेश भाई
क्लोज
और look here up the camera.
नाइस इंग्लिश
I know that. Ma'am here.
वेट थैंक यू बैक अप
चलो वाइट करते चलो.
क्या करते
वाइट कर.
किसको तेरे को कहाँ काटूं वो कहाँ काटूं उसमें रे छोटे बिल खत्म हो गया
बिल खत्म हो गया.
अरे यार लाइट खत्म.
लाल चल डाल
दिनेश भाई
इनको कर लेने
लाइट
पैसा खत्म वेट सर वेट
इंटीरियर डिजाइनर.
थैंक यू
सर. आप किसी को बोला ना.
Can we have a small Q&A with each one of you? It's going to be very quick. It's not going to be very lengthy. It's just going to be maybe one question or two questions. So we'll start with Amit Porwal, sir. Sir, you've earned a reputation for transforming spaces into timeless works of art. What are the key elements you focus on?
See, what we like to do now is we like to humanize our design. So which is most important aspect of our design. So when we design and when we say that we give lifestyle to people, we are giving lifestyle to people who already know what lifestyle is. So it's a tough job. So what we do, biggest element is we want to humanize our design. So people are happy, comfortable, content, and then they refer us again. Thank you.
Umang sir, there's a question for you. You are a master designer. How do architecture and interior design influence your mood, creativity, and overall well-being?
Can you repeat the question, please?
You're a master designer.
नहीं मजाक कर रहा
Sorry.
So for me, design is anything and everything that I see. I mean, for me the challenge is give me the most oddest place, the most empty canvas, the most bizarre object, and to transform into an art piece is what I think I was born to do. And that's what I like. I mean, you make me sit on a plane and give me a empty cup of can or the peanut thing and uske andar painting kaise kara jata hai, all the things. So I want to transform everything that I see into art form. I see everything as an art form. Be it the collar design, be it the rice grain, I've painted on everything. And I think I kept on evolving and, you know, changing my lifestyle every 10 years as such. And to adapt into new visual elements. AI ka zamana hai, so I just jumped into it. Instead of AI taking over me, I have taken over AI and what all I can do with it. That's how I, you know, redefined everything. Be it films, be it my paintings, be it set design, be it modeling, hosting, jo karna hai. I see design in every element. I mean, that's what sparks the, you know, craziness. Starbucks ka packet aa gaya, arey fenkna mat, I'll paint on it. And that's my everyday mode. 10 minutes somebody is late for a meeting, I can, you know, sketch something on an empty space. And I like to expand my views into set making, into houses that I paint and design. That ek chhap karna padta hai, and that's what I like. And that's how I evaluated my lifestyle and changed every 10 years. That's how I've grown maybe.
So you just gave us an insight upon how to utilize our time. While in Mumbai we have a lot of time traveling, and you will like what to do. We get agitated, people get angry. Rather use your time and use it into stress building activities, and you can make some designs which make you happy as well. So that's a very nice idea. Thank you so much, sir. Harmeet sir, there comes a question for you. Please tell us about your passion for music. How did music come into your life? What inspired you for music? We want to know about it, sir.
Thank God, you made it easy. I thought you were going to ask me about how do you design your house, what did you do? ये तो आपने बहुत simple कर दिया. But since we are here and everybody is with the mindset of understanding the designs, I think it's more about passion for me. I've done a lot of work in my own house for designing, so I'll come back to music. But I think it's an emotion. जैसे हर किसी की शक्ल अलग होती है, हर किसी का घर का डिजाइन भी अलग होना चाहिए. But keeping the standards trend in the market, I've always tried to have my own kind of a painting, colors, the furniture of my taste. That's what for me the definition of great interior is. हाँ, इनकी एक पेंटिंग है, मैंने कहीं देखी किसी के घर पे, किसी एक सेलिब्रिटी के घर पे. मैंने कहा who is this designer, looks like one of the best designers. He says अरे everybody knows him, and I called him and he was very sweet. Instantly he agreed to do it for me, and it shows his humility. He's a very real person. That's why he can, I know it's a great thing that कहीं पे भी बैठ के आप challenge लो उसको. It's more like a passion challenge. So I learned that a lot from you. Music का आप क्या जानना चाह रहे थे मेरे से?
कहाँ से शुरुआत की आपने म्यूजिक?
शुरुआत मैंने बाथरूम से करी थी. मैं बाथरूम में नहा रहा था और मेरे भाई ने दरवाजे पे बीट बजाई. मेरे को स्कूल में जूडी सिंह बोलते थे, तो उसने कहा दरवाजे पे नॉक करते हुए कि पापा इज कॉलिंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, आ जाओ नीचे फटाफट. हम बंगलों में रहते थे ग्वालियर में. आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड. तो ही सेड जोगी सिंह बनना ला सिंह. मैंने अंदर से नहाते नहाते बोला आहो आहो. ही सेड ब्रेकफास्ट इज रेडी. आई सेड आई एम कमिंग. और इसका हमने गाना बनाया जो कि बाद में वायरल हो गया. जोगी सिंह बनना ला सिंह आहो आहो. ब्रेकफास्ट इज रेडी. आई एम कमिंग. वी आर टू लिटिल ब्रदर्स. वी आर जोगी बनना ला. We go out for parties in kurta pajamas. We wear pajamas without any nada. वैसे करके हमने गाना बनाया था. वो बॉम्बे में सिडनम कॉलेज में जब वो बहुत फेमस हो गया, that's when I thought कि I should try to be a singer. I had no training. तो हमने कोशिश करी और आज हम यहाँ आपके सामने खड़े हुए हैं as Meet Brothers.
It is inspiring, sir. Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question for you, ma'am. How important are well done up interiors to houses or workspaces? How important are they?
The way you started, I thought you were going to say, how old are you?
16.
How important? Well, I guess you get to know the personality of the person when you walk into their house. So for me, I observe a lot. So whenever I go to anybody's house or I enter or walk into any restaurant, coffee shop, anywhere, so I really get to know what the personality of that person is gonna be. And for me, first thing I observe the kitchen. From there you got to know actually each and everything about the person. So I guess yes, it's really important. The interior is really important because that's your safe space, and that lift up your mood. And being an actor, being an artist, all I can say, like, my house interior is, sorry, it's nothing compared to yours, but it's very calming because I'm a very calming person. So my whole color complexion of the house, you will see only white and grays, even furniture white and grays, because I'm a very calming person. I like quiet space. So yeah, that's important for me. But yes, you get to know, I think I have so many friends who have very colorful houses, and you get to know how jolly they are, because I think it all depends on person's personality, and it's really important for everyone.
Thank you so much. As you rightly said, kitchens in even the olden days, they're saying the way you maintain your kitchen is the way a person is. It shows how a person stays. So that is why in the olden days, like, kitchen सबसे सुंदर रखना चाहिए.
Sundar and hygienic.
Yes. Sir, would you mind if I ask you a question?
No, don't ask me the question. You also need to answer. You should just speak.
Yes, I'm really thankful to Amit giving us the opportunity to carry one of the best projects in our magazine. Amit, thank you so much.
I appreciate the long journey, Ashok. Swati out there. It's been very long journey, and Ashok, let me tell you that we were doing our baby steps about say 20 years back or 18 years back. So at that moment of time, we always, and everybody wants recognition, and I believe that's exactly what we are here again for, whenever that you do your work. And the platform that Society Interiors and Magma Publications have always paved up is for budding designers as well. Is amazing. Let me tell you, we have an excellent team, Ashok, with Sunil out there, he won't spare anyone, and with Swati out there, and I think it's been really lovely and absolutely amazing.
There's no doubt that I'm really blessed to have such my wonderful team. Without the team, nothing happens.
And I don't mind telling you this because this is very important. I was very sure. I was asking Sunil that who are going to be there. Okay? So that's something which he said. You know, Amit, have you heard of Umang Kamarpal? You don't have to ask me. Have I heard about him? I know him so well, and I've been following him. So I mean, it's such a wonderful thing to be. And then he said, meet brothers. I said, fine. Because see, if you understand my design, this is symphony. Okay, and this is exactly what we translate, whether it's music, whether it's art, or whether it's this beauty. So it's absolutely amazing, and thank you so much for making our evening so wonderful and sparing your time and all of you out there. Thank you so much, really appreciate it.
Yes, I think Umang is like a family to us. Our journey started almost 3 decades ago. All the Stardust Awards, I think the man behind, the magazine, I wouldn't say magazine, the man behind the Stardust Award, it's Umang Kumar, who, without him, nothing, the success would have not taken place. So thank you, Umang, for just one phone call away. I think that goes to Amit and Anna too. Just one call away. I just told them that, I want you all to be here to unveil the Society Interior and Design magazine's cover. They said, yes, we will be there. And once again, for sparing your valuable time and coming over here and making this evening grand success. Thank you so much for all of you. Thank you. Yeah. It would be just... Yes.
चल
सर यहाँ पर
So ma'am, camera look.
Yeah, look center. Both of look center.
Both.
All together.
Before we take, now I would like to call upon Miss Saloni Khosla, Mr. Prasad Mistry, Mr. and Mrs. Sakaria, Dispal and Hina Sakaria, Mr. Shoaib Mosa, Mr. Sarit Vora, Mr. Yogesh Kulkarni and Ms. Jyoti Gupta. And I would like to have a special thanks to Mr. Baspal for his hospitality. Basap Paul for his hospitality and giving us the space of Invisible. Can I have Ms. Saloni Khosla, please? Can I have Mr. Prasad Mistry, please? Can I have Mr. and Mrs. Sakaria? Dispal and Hina Sakaria, please. Can I invite Mr. Shoaib Mosa, please?
सर यहाँ पर देखिए
So look here.
सर यहाँ पर भी यहाँ
Your camera look.
सेंटर
Yeah. Mr. Shoaib Mosa? Mr. Sarit Vora?
सर यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पर
I would like to invite Mr. Yogesh Kulkarni and Ms. Jyoti Gupta, please.
मैम यहाँ पर मैम यहाँ पर देखिए
मैम सेंटर में भी देखना थोड़ा सा वीडियो में
Camera. Okay, done. Thank you.
थैंक यू
Scanner. तुरंत महाकाल सब नहीं सब छाप मैम मोबाइल मोबाइल पीछे अच्छा वेट फॉर अ सेकंड Who's that? कौन था वो?
Jyoti Gupta? I, with all my heart, would like to thank each one of you who's come here and spared your time for us. I'm greatly obliged. I am sorry if I made mistakes. I'm humbly apologetic for the same. And I'm very thankful to each one of you for coming.
थैंक यू थैंक यू
Bite.
This is such a prestigious cover to be unveiled, and I thank you, Ashok and Magna Group and Magnet Group, to call me and to do the honors with our esteemed guests. I'm privileged that Namit Pawal's design is unveiled by us, and I look forward to seeing the interiors in actual place also.
yes, of course.
So it's I love it.
Well, it's a lovely feeling to be here. I'm honored to be here, and thank you so much, Ashok ji, for inviting me. And congratulations to Team Magnet, and congratulations, Amit.
Thank you.
I'm really looking forward to see your designs. And thank you, sir, for sharing this stage with me. And it's a lovely feeling, so thank you.
So, Amit ji, tell us about the project that's featured on the cover.
So this project is a villa that we have done in Raipur. It's in Chhattisgarh, and it has been done at about 10,000 square feet of space. And the best part is that
the client had nothing to say but just ask us to please carry on and just give us the keys, and that is what we really love to do. But amazing, like we had all the independence in design and details, and we wanted to make it more modern, contemporary, and that's what the attempt has been. And well, here it is, and I'm more than happy to have my prodigy out here, Umang, to open up this today, and Viana. And of course, thanks to Ashok ji and Magnet Publishing Group for doing this.
Ashok ji, why did you choose to feature Amit ji in this month's edition?
Amit Pawar is like a legendary interior designer in the field of architecture and interior designing, and it's really honor and pride to carry his project in our magazines, which is a very how would I say, it's one of the best project which we got the opportunity to carry in our magazines, and I'm really grateful for Amit to giving us the opportunity. Okay, and I'm very grateful to Umang and Anna to taking out their own time, coming here and joining the unveiling of our magazine covers. Thank you so much, Umang and Anna, and Amit too.
Thank you.
How are you?
Right.
Yes,
Yes, of
Okay. Before we hear, all of us, we don't require the introductions of
Absolutely.
Mr. Bright. One second, before we finish.
मेरा बर्थडे सर
Umang.
वेरी गुड सर
Okay, Mr. Bouquet.
आपको हमने ऑनर कर देंगे सर थैंक यू सर
Anna, please.
थैंक यू
मैम यहाँ पर
Dinesh, wait, Dinesh.
सर यहाँ पर
Dinesh,
सर
please
यहाँ
come
पर
in.
देखिए
Come here.
Photo.
अमन सर यहाँ पर
Yeah, wait, wait.
देखिए यहाँ पर सर यहाँ पर
हाँ,
ले लो दे रही है
जी हाँ
आज कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर सोसाइटी इंटीरियर से डिजाइन के कवर?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और अशोक सर और सोसाइटी और मेघना और स्टारडस्ट से मेरा 1982 से आता है। मैंने जब मेरा करियर चालू किया था पहला होर्डिंग तभी स्टारडस्ट का ही पहला होर्डिंग भी मैंने लगाया था, तो शायद 40 साल से मेरी दोस्ती है और हर इवेंट्स, हर अवार्ड्स और हर फिल्म का ब्राइट हिस्सा है। थैंक यू।
सर यहाँ पर अभी यहाँ पर
योर सेंटर लुक। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। अवार्ड का आपने किया था स्टेज यार?
मालूम है मेरे को, सबका सेम है, नंबर सेम है सर, हमेशा लगता है सर। चलो, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू
अरे बिल्कुल सर।
And Kali National Awards. So anything from your side, what would you like to say to the winners out there? कैसा लगा इस time?
Congratulations to all the winners, and yeah, देख के अच्छा लगता है. You feel proud to see such mega stars going up and receiving awards, and it's a different feeling. I mean, to get a national award. So all the congratulations to all the winners. They're all fantastic. This year was super work, and as it is. देख के oh इनको भी मिला, it feels good.
Okay, which was your personal favorite win? Like बहुत सारी categories होती है, but personal favorite कौन सी है? And who was that one winner that that you admired the most?
Obviously, Vikrant Nasi was very good in 12th grade. Shahrukh ji was fantastic. Rani ji was fantastic, and they were good films. I mean, Umesh Bansal got an award there also. I mean, he's producing my film, so yes, I had to mention it. So, but nice films. I mean, this obviously all the languages. I mean, I can't just pinpoint, but it's to each his own, and it's fantastic. And to get celebrated on that platform is something else. I mean, when I got my first national award, I was like, wow, इसके बाद retire करूँ क्या? But yes, you feel fantastic. So.
And lastly, anything for Mohanlal sir, who has won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award,
Yeah,
the biggest award
for
the film industry. उनसे बड़ा कोई award नहीं है. So anything for that?
I mean, how can I tell anything about him? Obviously, he deserves every bit of it. And the more you give, the less for them. I mean, he's a magnum opus type of a person, and everything. I mean, he deserves it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.